In this video, I want to show you how to delete a video on your DJI Osmo Action 6 camera. Let's say you're filming, you want to delete some videos, make some space on the card or on the internal memory. You're going to tap this button right over here. And then if you want to delete multiple videos, you can click on the square over here, the 4 squares together. You're going to see everything that is on your card, all the videos and pictures together. Now, if you want to select multiple videos, because this is what you want to do. Let's say I want to delete these 4 videos over here, 4 pictures. You're going to tap on the top right corner, the check mark, and now simply tap on all the files you want to delete. You can go down and select more if you want. From here, you're going to select the 3 dots logo and then the garbage bin. Delete 4 files. Yes, so I'll click delete and they are gone. Now we can see what's left on the card. If you want to delete pictures or video from the SD card or from the internal memory and you want to see especially just those files, you can click on the small arrow pointing down here and it will let you select internal memory or SD card, so you can go there and delete the files that you wish, the same way I just showed you. If you simply want to delete one thing, tap on it and then tap the 3 dots over here, the garbage bin, delete, and you have wiped out that video. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.